The hooded crow, a symbol of resourcefulness and adaptability, thrives in diverse environments across Europe and Asia. Join us today as we witness the extraordinary care and dedication these birds display when feeding their young. As architects of their own destiny, hooded crows build strong nests high in trees, ensuring their young are protected from predators. This teamwork is a testament to the power of collaboration and determination. From the moment they are born, hooded crows' chicks depend on their parents for sustenance and protection. Their survival is a testament to the unwavering commitment of these resilient birds, a lesson we can all take to heart. Resourceful and inventive, the hooded crow is a master of survival. They utilize their keen intelligence to forage for food, teaching us the value of innovation and adaptability in the face of adversity. The unwavering dedication of the hooded crow parents is a beautiful reminder that love and care transcend species. By nurturing their young, they are not only securing the future of their lineage, but also contributing to the delicate balance of nature. In a world of constant change, the hooded crow's adaptability and resourcefulness serve as an inspiration for us all. As we face our own challenges, may we too find the strength to persevere and thrive.